Okay, on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to take and change. I know I need tires, but I'm going to be showing you how to change your bushing on your Mitsubishi Endeavor. It's quite simple. The first thing you want to do is put your Mitsubishi Endeavor in a spot to work on it. Level is the best. Get you some jack stands and a jack, because you will need those to jack its wheel up off the ground, because you will need to remove its tire. So once you get that done, jack stands under it, jacked up, and the tire removed, then you can go on to the next step. Now once you get your wheel removed and your lug nuts, you want to come over here and loosen this bolt here. If your link is old, it probably will turn inside this boot, but you can put your impact or wrench on it and a set of vice grips right here, and it should spin out. If you don't, sometimes you have to take a saw and cut these off and replace this with a new part. So go ahead and remove this top link. Once you get this loose, you can come over here. You need a wrench and a ratchet, or impact helps. It's a 17 you can put over here on the back side. And it's that simple.
If Mr. Nut spins, take it off and take a pair of vice grips and lock it on.
Exactly, it's that easy. If it spins, it needs replacing anyway, but I plan on replacing that sooner than later. So next you can pick up on this. It should just push right up, just like so. And here's your bushing. Now you might have to heat this bushing or spray it with penetrating oil and let it set and then try heat. But the best way to do is heat it, but be careful not get none of this hot. But heat it up and try a couple times. Yeah, we kind of been here on this bushing once before a time and handmade this one just to do to the actual bushing came in. That's why ours was so easy. Yours probably won't be that easy.
This one's still gonna be knocked out though.
Oh yeah, there's still some left. We still gotta knock it out.
So now we gotta get a big socket and knock it back this way.
Yep. It's a moving.
Did it move?
Yeah, not much, but it moved.
It moving?
Yep.
Now we have to get a punch.
Probably could hook vice grips to it, or take this little socket or something, shove back in, knock it out probably. There it is. It's on out.
Now where's your new bush?
Now you can take a wire brush or something and clean up inside here, or sandpaper. If you guys need to know what the part number is, I'm pretty sure the part number. If not, there will be a link in the description to where I got mine. I actually ordered mine online at the part stores. This thing is like $22, and they still had to take a couple of days to come in. It seems the part stores for Endeavors, they don't keep nothing in stock. I don't know why. They should, but they don't. So I just went ahead and ordered this one online. Yep. Now guys, before we even knock this on in, we had to actually take this to the belt sander and actually take some of this material off, as it was a little bit bigger than what it needed to be. And as you can see, it's going. It just takes a little time. Once you get the bushing in, you can pretty well mash this back down and then center it up with a screwdriver. Then take and insert your bolt. just like so, and put your nut on the back side and torque it down to specs.
What is specs? Tab is a specs. Range it takes.
Specs are Uga first.
Okay.
I think that's specs.
Rubber for
Now once you get that, you can go ahead and reinstall your link. And once you get that tight, you can reinstall your wheel and tire and take your jack stands out. So I hope you enjoyed this short but simple, helpful how-to video. Drop a like if you found it helpful, and leave me a comment. I'd like to know if you actually did get some use out of the video too. If you want to see more of Endeavor videos and stuff, be sure to check my channel out. I got a couple of videos on this already, different subjects from replacing rotaries to brake pads and so forth, and tons more to come. Just check my channel out, show your support by hitting that subscribe button, and welcome to Kentucky, where everybody just shoots guns for no reason. Yep, that's what that was, a gunshot. Probably hit, oh, there's another one. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.